the different success stories that we have, we help digitally transform one organization, which has a lot of legacy on-premise environment, multiple disparate systems, no data sharing, and unmanaged set of IT applications. And what we did is basically we helped them to move to Azure. We consolidate data into Dynamics 365, replace existing legacy applications with Power Apps and Power Pages. So we migrated their Sidecore on-premise to Azure, and we migrate we migrate a lot of their on-premise servers into Azure PaaS as much as possible. And we merge a lot of the application using Dynamics 365. So a lot of Dynamics 365 become the baseline for the application layer, and they start to make small application on top of that, utilizing the single source of truth of data to then surface different services to their customers.